Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Terry, and this is an unboxing from Tiny Jungle, my buddy Tony Wells, old friend, actually my original first orchid hunter, looked out for me. So let's get to it. Packed very nice, and look, see those buds? Good. Perfect. Hopefully this will lift out in one toe. Yes. That's the kind of unboxing I love. Easy peasy. Not a lot of extra paper. This, of course, you can tell by those pseudobulbs, probably, that it's an encyclia. Yes, indeed. This is encyclia. Orchid. Nice growth coming up here. And there's another there. Beautiful flowers. Thanks, Tony. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your orchids. Bye. Encyclias, if you don't know, they're a genus of about 250 epiphytic or lithophytic species, most abundant in Central America and the West Indian Islands. Extends to Florida in the U.S., and some species occur in South America. They do have a seasonally dry seasonally dry forest below the 3,300 foot altitude. Blah blah blah. They were regarded as part of epidendrum. Intermediate conditions are best. Watering rest period after the growths have matured. Water heavily when in growth. Slabs are successful. Now this beauty is Orchid, otherwise known as Encyclia patens. I would say that's patens. Anyhow, synonym including Orchid species occurs in Brazil, low to moderate altitudes. Elongated pseudobulbs are up to a foot long. Inflorescence is sparsely branched. Very fragrant. Flowers occur from late winter to summer. It's beautifully profuse. And so what happens early to summer. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your orchids.